I wanted to share this great deal I got at Walgreens last week. It's no longer a deal, so you can't run out and get your own, but it's a great example of how you use your coupons and you hit the sale the right way, you're going to have some deep savings. This example is I bought 3 Soft Scrub Bowl and Bath, and I bought 3 Soft Scrub Bleach Cleansers. Both bottles were on sale for $3, and Walgreens was offering back a register reward when I reached a certain amount. So what I did is I went out and bought 3 of the soft scrubs here on the left for $3 each. I had a buy one, get one free for the cleanser. I looked and I had 3 printable coupons for $1.50 each for the cleanser. So I had 3 buy one, get ones and 3 $1.50 coupons. If you're trying to do the mental math, let me do it for you. I paid $4.50 out of pocket for these 6 items. That equals 75 cents a bottle. That's great. Most people would be ecstatic to save that much money on household cleansers. To sweeten the deal even better, I got a $4 register reward, which takes it down to 50 cents out of pocket if you want to look at it that way, which makes it a little over 8 cents a bottle. I personally don't use that methodology of thinking because if I don't use a register reward on another purchase or I lose it or let it expire, then I didn't get it for 8 cents. Each person has their own math, their own mentality when it comes to savings. I'm happy with 75 cents. If you have any questions or comments on how to use your coupons, contact us at frugalferret.com.